Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you save money and live a more frugal life. Today, we'll be discussing 15 frugal living tips that you can implement in 2023 to help you save money and live below your means. Tip 1. Make a budget and stick to it. The first tip to saving money is to make a budget and stick to it. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money by allocating it to different expenses. You should make a list of all your income sources and all your expenses and make sure that the amount you spend is less than what you earn. This way, you'll have some money left over to save or invest. Tip 2. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases are one of the biggest culprits of overspending. To avoid them, make a list of what you need before you go shopping and stick to it. You should also wait for 24 hours before making any big purchases to see if you still want it. Tip 3. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, especially if you do it frequently. Cooking at home is not only a great way to save money, but it's also healthier for you. You can buy ingredients in bulk and make large batches of food that you can freeze and reheat later. This will save you time and money in the long run. Tip 4. Use coupons and discount codes. Coupons and discount codes can help you save money on your purchases. You can find them in newspapers, magazines, online, and through apps. Before you make a purchase, take a few minutes to search for coupons and discount codes that you can use. Tip 5. Shop at discount stores. Discount stores are a great place to buy items at a lower price. You can find items that are just as good as what you'd find at a regular store, but for a fraction of the cost. This is especially true for things like clothing, household items, and electronics. Tip 6. Buy used items. Buying used items is another great way to save money. You can find gently used items in good condition at thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay and Craigslist. You can save a lot of money by buying used items and they're often just as good as new ones. Tip 7. Avoid subscriptions you don't use. Subscriptions can add up quickly and can be a drain on your budget. Take a look at your monthly expenses and see if there are any subscriptions that you don't use or need. If so, cancel them and put that money towards something more useful. Tip 8. Cut down on entertainment expenses. Entertainment expenses can also add up quickly, especially if you're in the habit of going to the movies, eating out, or buying new video games every month. To save money on entertainment, consider doing free or low-cost activities like hiking, watching movies at home, or playing video games you already own. Tip 9. Use public transportation or carpool. Transportation costs can be a big part of your budget. To save money on transportation, consider using public transportation or carpooling with friends or coworkers. This can save you a significant amount of money on gas, insurance, and maintenance. Tip 10. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use. Turning off lights and appliances when not in use can save you money on your energy bill. You should also replace your light bulbs with energy-efficient options and make sure to properly maintain your appliances to keep them running efficiently. Tip 11. Grow your own fruits and vegetables. Growing your own fruits and vegetables can save you money on groceries and give you access to fresh, healthy produce. You don't need a large garden to do this, even a small balcony or windowsill can be enough to grow a few plants. Tip 12. Shop sales and clearance items. Shopping sales and clearance items is a great way to save money on groceries and other items. You can also sign up for store newsletters to receive notifications about sales and clearance items. Tip 13. Negotiate bills and services. You can save money by negotiating bills and services that you use on a regular basis. For example, you can call your cable company and ask for a better rate, or negotiate your cell phone bill by switching to a different plan. Don't be afraid to ask for a better deal, as companies are often willing to work with customers to keep their business. Tip 14. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards can help you save money by making you more mindful of your spending. When you use cash, you can physically see the money leaving your wallet, which can help you avoid overspending. Tip 15. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is one of the best ways to save money in the long run. Credit card debt, in particular, can be difficult to get out of and can carry high interest rates. To avoid debt, only spend what you can afford and make sure to pay off your credit card balances in full each month. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they'll help you save money in 2023. Remember, small changes can add up to big savings over time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.